Hello guys, so in this video I want to share my few thoughts on my 3 best editors I've ever used so far. I want us to take a look at Atom. Okay, so Atom is a text editor that you can use as a front-end developer or as a back-end developer for any kind of project that you want to develop. Okay, so if you're developing for web, I think this IDE is really cool for you, and it's free and open source. Atom has been there for a very long time and it's really cool. Okay, so it has this teletype where developer can work on the same code or can easily share code or collaborate on a code. So that's a great feature, and also connected to GitHub, okay, automatically, so you can put in your GitHub details and just merge things and maybe resolve conflicts right in your editor. Okay, so it's very easy. Git has been installing it for you, so using it is just straight to the point, from merging to committing to pushing your repo. Okay, so that's cool. So let's see about some of the features of Atom. Is really cool. Why I like Atom? For me, I like it because it has this kind of smart auto completion, and there are more of things here that you can actually, the interface is very unique, it's very nice, it's very cool. When writing maybe HTML, CSS with code, it's very cool and it's very popular, and it was made with Electron. Okay, so maybe if you know about Electron, so Electron consists of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and Node.js integration, and they made it to form a desktop app which can be installed across any platform that you want. It also comes with packages. Okay, so if you want to add some functionalities to it, it's very easy for you to add it to your Atom text editor. Also open source, you can contribute to the project if you like, and you can fork it on GitHub and work on it or improve its features. But as for a beginner, you can start with this and it's really cool. Now let's go to my second text editor I recommend for beginners or anyone who is starting out. So this is a sophisticated text editor for code, markup, and prose. Okay, so this is really cool. It's really cool editor. I think this is really a standalone application, and it's very easy to download. You just click on download and just download for you, and its file size is very small, which means it's very lightweight. It doesn't consume any RAM. It's very cool. It supports any device you are using. Okay, so this Sublime text is really nice, and it has this kind of multi-selection, which is really cool. I really like this multi-selection function, and it's really cool. Atom also has this kind of split editing where you can have maybe some of you are coding CSS here, you can code HTML here, you can code JavaScript, all in the same window screen, which is really cool if you're a front-end developer doing this kind of things. And its performance, like I said, is very fast because it has a small size, it's very lightweight, and it can be installed on, I think it's multi-platform, so you can try it for your Windows and you see how best it works for you. Okay, so let's talk about Vscode. Right, so Vscode is really popular among developers. Okay, it's really cool for beginners, and it's free, open source, and it runs everywhere. It can run on Linux, it can run on Windows, Mac OS, any kind of devices you are using. Vscode is also multi-platform. Now the cool things about it is that it has many extensions. Anything that you think about, whether Vue, Python you are writing or coding, anything from Vscode icons, customizing anything that you want, even including Git to it. I think they have Git to it. Okay, even we have even Vscode stories. So this thing is really cool and it's really popular. and it's multi-platform. That's what I say. And its IntelliSense is really cool. Like example, the syntax highlighting is also fine, and also is able to detect what kind of function you are writing, the types of variables you are also doing, and this is really cool. And it has also this built-in get command. As you can see, Atom also has this kind of built-in get commands for GitHub, so you don't open a new terminal for your Git, but you can just push your commits, merge and pull anything right inside your VS Code. So it also has this extension which is very customizable. You can customize anyhow. Maybe you want this kind of extension to work on this particular project. It is really adaptable to any kind of thing you give it. It also has this functionality for deploying your project to Microsoft Azure. So this is really cool, and I really like what they are bringing on board. So like I said, you can run it on Windows. I'm using Windows, so you can run it also on Linux, any machine from Ubuntu to any other device or operating system you think of, and also Mac. You can run it on Mac, and it's really cool. Now let's talk about extensions. Okay, so PSCode has a very big family of extensions, from live server to ESLinting, from Python extensions and code formatting. It has everything that you need when working with VS Code. It has this kind of linters where you can format your code, or even gives you options to select whilst you are coding, or even gives you ideas of whatever you are doing. Or okay, maybe you want to import something. Okay, you don't really need to just specify or you don't need to type or code the part that you want to import into your code. You just maybe write a function, and just with a few clicks you just import the right file with the right part into your code, and it's very unique. So this extension has been categorized to many aspects. So you have the Azure extension, has its own class of extensions that you can get anything that you want. Also has the data scientists, those who do data science. You can get your pack of extensions that you need to be able to work with VS Code. It also has for the education, the debuggers, and my favorite one is the linters. I really like it. And also has the themes extension for the themes. You can change the themes and anyhow you like. It's really cool. You can change the font size, and it's really good for programmers, and it's really good for front-end developers. So guys, this is my few tips I have on this, my favorite test editors, okay, that I've been using. It has many contributors actually, yeah, so contributors are really doing well. It's really, like I said, it is open source, so you can download it into free, no charge. You don't pay anything. Unlike Sublime Test is really, it costs $8 to get a license to use, but VS Code is really cheap. It's free. You can use it anywhere to your project. So guys, this is my favorite test editors I wanted to show you guys. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you.